In our daily culinary routines, we often consume foods without fully understanding the best methods to prepare and enjoy them. While fruits are commonly discussed in terms of optimal consumption, there are plenty of staple foods that many people inadvertently eat incorrectly. From the way we cook grains and pasta to how we handle proteins and vegetables, small adjustments can significantly enhance flavor, improve nutritional value, and reduce waste. Today, we're uncovering the top 10 common foods you're eating wrong. You might be surprised to learn that you've been missing out on the full benefits of these foods. Let's dive in and discover the right ways to enjoy them. Number 10. Rice. Many people rinse rice before cooking it, which is a common practice to remove excess starch. However, the water often gets thrown away along with some of the nutrients that are water-soluble, particularly in enriched rice. Instead of discarding the rinse water, consider using it to cook the rice. This way you retain more nutrients and enhance the flavor. For added flavor, cook rice in broth instead of water and incorporate spices or aromatics such as garlic or onion for a richer taste. Moreover, it's important to let the rice rest after cooking. Allowing it to sit covered for about 10 minutes off the heat helps steam it, making it fluffier and preventing it from being sticky. Using the right water to rice ratio, usually 2 to 1, can also make a significant difference in texture and flavor. Number 9. Pasta. Most people cook pasta in a large pot of boiling water and then rinse it after draining, believing this will remove excess starch. However, rinsing pasta washes away the starch that helps sauces adhere to it, resulting in a less flavorful dish. Instead, after cooking, simply drain the pasta and toss it immediately with your sauce of choice while it's still hot. This allows the pasta to absorb some of the sauce and enhances the overall flavor. For optimal pasta cooking, add salt to the boiling water before adding the pasta. This helps season the pasta and improve its flavor, making it more enjoyable even without sauce. Additionally, reserving a cup of pasta cooking water before draining can be useful. You can add this starchy water to your sauce to adjust the consistency and enhance the dish's creaminess. Number 8. Eggs. Many people boil eggs and then immediately cool them in ice water to stop the cooking process. While this method works, it can sometimes lead to eggs being difficult to peel due to the formation of a vacuum seal between the egg and the shell. Instead, consider steaming eggs instead of boiling them. Steaming creates a gentler cooking environment and allows for easier peeling. To steam eggs, place them in a steamer basket over boiling water for about 12-15 minutes for hard-boiled eggs. After cooking, transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and make peeling easier. Additionally, if you enjoy scrambled eggs, don't whisk them too much before cooking. Gentle mixing retains the structure and creates a fluffier texture when cooked. Number 7. Potatoes. Most people peel potatoes before cooking them, which can lead to a significant loss of nutrients and flavor. Potato skins are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, so leaving the skin on is a healthier option. If you prefer a smoother texture, consider using a vegetable brush to clean the potatoes thoroughly rather than peeling them. When cooking potatoes, try roasting or baking them instead of boiling. Roasting enhances their natural sweetness and allows you to experiment with various herbs and spices, making them more flavorful. To make the most of your potatoes, cut them into uniform pieces for even cooking, and don't overcrowd the baking sheet, allowing for proper browning. Number 6. Chicken. Many people grill or bake chicken without marinating it first, missing out on enhanced flavor and tenderness. Marinating chicken in a mixture of acid like lemon juice or vinegar, oil, and spices for at least 30 minutes or longer for more flavor can dramatically improve the dish. The acid helps to tenderize the meat while infusing it with flavor, making for a juicier result. Additionally, many home cooks often cook chicken straight from the refrigerator. Allowing the chicken to sit room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking helps it cook more evenly. When cooking, use a meat thermometer to check for doneness. Chicken should reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius to be safe to eat. Letting the chicken rest for a few minutes before slicing allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and flavorful dish. Number 5. Bananas. Most people peel bananas from the stem end, which can be frustrating when the stem is tough or the banana is overripe. Interestingly, primates, who are banana experts in nature, peel them from the opposite end, the bottom. Squeezing the tip at the non-stem end splits the peel easily, allowing you to peel it back without damaging the fruit. Additionally, bananas contain more nutrients when they are slightly underripe. The grainer bananas are rich in resistant starch, which acts like fiber and aids digestion while helping regulate blood sugar. On the other hand, fully ripe bananas with brown spots are higher in sugar and offer a quick energy boost but lack some of the fiber benefits found in less ripe ones. If you're looking to optimize your fiber intake, eating slightly greener bananas could be the better option. Number 4. Kiwi. Many people tend to peel kiwis and only eat the green flesh inside, discarding the fuzzy brown skin. However, kiwi skin is completely edible and contains a wealth of nutrients. In fact, the skin triples the fiber content and adds extra vitamin C, making the fruit even more nutritious when eaten whole. The fuzzy texture may seem off-putting, but it's easy to get used to, especially if the kiwi is thoroughly washed before consumption. For a smoother experience, you can eat the kiwi like an apple, biting into the skin, or slice it thinly with the skin on. Alternatively, if you prefer a less fuzzy kiwi, varieties like the golden kiwi have smoother skin and offer the same nutritional benefits. Eating the entire fruit reduces waste and maximizes the health benefits. Number 3. Strawberries. Most people remove the leafy green tops of strawberries by cutting off a chunk of the fruit along with it. This method wastes a good portion of the strawberry, especially when the fruit is small. Instead, try hulling strawberries with a straw or a paring knife. By pushing a straw through the base of the strawberry and up toward the leafy top, you can neatly remove the core and leaves while keeping the entire fruit intact. In addition to preparing strawberries more efficiently, it's also important to store them properly. Strawberries are highly perishable and should be washed only just before eating to avoid premature spoilage. Keeping them in a container lined with a paper towel in the fridge helps absorb excess moisture and keeps them fresh longer. Number 2. Pomegranates. Many people struggle to eat pomegranates because they try to cut them in half and scoop out the seeds' arils, often resulting in a mess and crushed seeds. There's a much easier and less messy way to enjoy this antioxidant-rich fruit. Start by cutting off the crown, the top part, then score the skin along its natural ridges from top to bottom. Once the skin is scored, gently pull the pomegranate apart into sections. To extract the seeds easily, hold a section of the pomegranate over a bowl and tap the back of the fruit with a wooden spoon. The seeds will fall out with minimal effort, leaving behind the pith. This method prevents juice from splattering and keeps the seeds intact. Pomegranates are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, making them a great addition to your diet when enjoyed with less hassle. Number 1. Avocados. Many people slice avocados down the middle, removing the pit and scooping out the flesh with a spoon. While this method works, it's not the most efficient or safest approach, as it can lead to the common injury known as avocado hand from trying to pry out the pit. A better way is to slice the avocado into quarters lengthwise. Once quartered, the pit can be easily popped out by hand without using a knife. The peel can then be removed by gently peeling back the skin, leaving the flesh intact. To prevent avocados from browning after cutting, many people incorrectly use lemon juice or store the avocado in water. A more effective way to preserve avocado freshness is to keep the pit inside the uneaten half and store it with a bit of olive oil brushed over the exposed flesh, then seal it tightly in plastic wrap. This helps keep the fruit looking green for longer, minimizing oxidation. Thanks for watching our video on the top 10 common foods you're eating wrong. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more food hacks and healthy eating tips. Let us know in the comments which food surprised you the most. Until next time, happy and healthy eating.